Beautifully hand-carved from natural Brazilian clear quartz, this Vogel-Eredyon wand features a subtle yet striking phantom visible across 3 facets, without disrupting the energetic vortex of the crystal. What makes this piece truly magical are the phantoms, ghost-like layers within the quartz, formed by natural interruptions during its growth. These ethereal markings symbolize rebirth, transformation, and the soul's layered journey across time. Phantom quartz is more than a stone. It's a master healer, a tool for deep meditation, past life exploration, and spiritual evolution. With its layered history and radiant clarity, this wand holds space for profound healing and energetic rebirth. Add it to your collection and let it guide you inward to the wisdom you've always carried.